There was one more question in this 2019. Okay, it is what I can say, it is just based on your intellectual. Okay, the numbers 1, 5 and 25 can be 3 terms in bracket दिया है, not necessarily consecutive, question mark, sorry, not question mark, off. What is the question is, the numbers 1, 5, 25 can be 3 terms not necessarily consecutive of, option A is only one AP, option B is more than one but finite APs, infinite APs, and D is finite GPs. Yes, the numbers 1, 5 and 25 can be 3 terms of not necessarily consecutive. So it is not necessary that they should appear consecutively. Not necessary बोला है, मतलब आ भी सकते हैं, नहीं भी आ सकते हैं. Not necessarily consecutive of. So these are the options. Tell me the answer. Use the basic. So this was question from 2019 first part.
Finite GPs.
Okay.
So more than one but finite AP.
Okay.
Infinite APs. Option C.
Okay, so 3 students giving me 3 different answers. देखो यहाँ पे. Of course, because of this, your option D is absolutely wrong. देखो यहाँ पे, not necessarily consecutive mean what? 1, 5, 25 is what? It is in GP, no doubt. But they have given that not necessarily consecutive means what? I can have some things upon in between these two, in these 3. So this may be some other number, this may be other number. So definitely this is not going to be in a GP. Is this in a GP? There is no such a numbers in between 1, 5 and 25 which may give me the GPs. So of course the last option is wrong. Because of this, not necessarily consecutive. Okay, very good. Have you understood this? Why D is wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's remove this now. Not necessarily in the consecutive meaning is what? See here, 1 comma, you may have some terms in here, then 5, then you may have some terms here, then 25. This is what we have the given sequence. The one sequence I can have in which 1, 5 and 25 can be included is very simple, which is original 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma dot 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 23, 24, 25, then dot dot dot. Is this okay if I write this AP? Where I am including 1, 5 and 25, and definitely they are not a consecutive. The next AP can I write like this? 1, 3, 5, dot 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 21, 23, 25, 27. Means odd sequence.
No, sir.
What?
Sir, how do we get 10? It's odd.
Where is 10? You don't require 10. Huh?
Correct, sir. Correct.
Sorry?
We can write this.
Yes, definitely. 10 किधर से आया भाई? See, only thing is what you should, whatever the sequence you write, you should include all these 3 numbers. That is the only condition. So I have included these 3 terms, 1, 5 and 25. See here, I have included these 3 terms in the sequence. Are you getting the point?
सर एक डाउट था.
बोलो ना भाई.
सर मतलब अलग एपी लेना है, मतलब उसका सिर्फ कॉमन डिफरेंस अलग होना चाहिए यार. कॉमन डिफरेंस से ओके, फर्स्ट टर्म अलग होना चाहिए.
नहीं. देखो AP मतलब क्या है कि कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम होना चाहिए, मतलब सेम इन द सेंस इसमें और इसमें कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं बोला है उन्होंने. APs, finite APs means what? There are so many APs are there.
अगर मैंने -1 0 1 2 3 4 ये भी लिया
ले
तो
सकते
वो
हो. एक्सेलेंट एक्सेलेंट, you can do -1 0 1 2 3. You can take this 5 and 25 somewhere you will get. Are you getting? You may say sir नहीं sir मैं ये नहीं लूँगा, so I will start from -2. Yes, you start from -2 -1 0 1 2. You start from -2, you will get 5 and you will get 25. आपने बोला नहीं सर मैं मुझे -100 से स्टार्ट करना है मुझे. You start from -100, you will get -99 and you will get somewhere 1, 5, 25. Are you getting the point?
yes sir.
What is your answer then?
So more than one but finite APs.
अरे अभी क्यों फाइनाइट चाहिए आपको फिर से? टेल
सर
मी.
infinite पता कैसा चलेगा कि
हाँ तो पता कैसा चलेगा मीन्स दैट इज द पता कैसा चलेगा मीन्स द इनफाइनाइट.
नहीं सर इनफाइनाइट लिया तो ये नहीं मालूम ना क्योंकि 25 को इंक्लूड करेगा या नहीं, ये किधर से स्टार्ट होगा.
But that is going to be definitely included in the AP, no? So if you take the common difference in such a way that, see, I can write like this. Do you agree it is in the AP 1 3 1 2 3 4 5
yes sir.
dot 25? Tell me what about this 1.1 comma 2.1 comma 3.1 comma 4.1 comma 5.1 comma sorry I have done the mistake. 1.1 1.2 1.3 1.4 dot 4.9 5 5.1 dot 24.1 dot 24.9 25. Is this in a AP?
yes sir.
So I have included 1, so यहाँ पे हम लोग एक भी डालेंगे 1. I have included 5 and I have included 25. Instead of this 1 I can write 1.11 1.12 1.13. I can write this also where I am taking the common difference as 0.01. See, whatever you do the APs, if the common difference is in proper format, no, you will include all these three terms. So how many APs are possible for that purpose? Infinite number of APs are possible for that. Now if you consider this example also, if I take one time I will take difference as 1, other time I will take difference as 2, other time I will get difference as maybe 1.1 1.2, in such a way that I should include 1 5 25. Are you getting the point? So there will be an infinite number of APs. Is this okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
फाइनाइट मतलब आपको पता होना चाहिए कि कितना नंबर ले रहे हैं आप. यहाँ पे आपने खुद ने बोला है कि सर -1 ले सकता हूँ, -2 भी ले सकते हो, -100 भी ले सकते हो, -1000 ले सकते हो, -infinity भी ले सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम, विद द सेम कॉमन डिफरेंस ऑफ 1. ओके,
yes sir.
so that is what I am trying to tell you is that in the exam if you see, no, the questions are more intellectual based, more common sense based questions are there. They don't require the formula based answers, formula based questions. Okay, they require the smartness in the student.
Sir, in this question, sir, does infinite AP means that it does not have a last term of or number of APs
Yes,
which we do?
you don't know first, you know the first term but you don't know the what is the last terms.
Yes, sir. Okay.
नहीं, एक मिनट, you were asking like infinite number of APs means what? See, there is a huge difference. Okay, there is a huge difference between infinite APs and infinite AP. There is a huge difference between these two. Infinite AP means what? You don't know the last term, means 1 2 3. This is what the infinite AP. Infinite APs means what? Infinite finite APs. Infinite APs भी हो सकता है, means you may know the last term or you don't know the last term.
Yes, sir.
Infinite APs means what? There are only 10 APs possible, 100 APs possible, 1000 APs possible, 1 lakh APs possible. See here, just now we have seen ये possible है, ये possible है, ये possible है, ये possible, ये possible, ये possible, सब possible.
But we were assuming the first case, infinite AP.
हाँ, Yes.
But infinite AP would also be true, na sir?
Yes, infinite AP will also be true. Infinite APs will also be true. APs means
yes.
what? They are just taking the plural form of the AP. मतलब वो बोल रहे हैं कि मेरे पास एक से ज़्यादा AP है जो ये तीनों नंबर्स इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं. I feel you are making the question very difficult. I feel like that. Is it so?
No sir, just doubt.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay. कुछ भी रहने दो, infinite रहने दो या finite रहने दो. These three will be definitely get included in the more than one and infinite number of APs. And these are the examples which we have taken here. So I have shown here. These are the different APs possible in which I can include these three numbers. Are you getting?
Yes,
Still
sir.
any doubts? No doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So we remain with the 20 minutes. We can start with the harmonic progression. Harmonic progression. It is one of the simplest one. So in all of three, the geometric progression पे जो बहुत ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन आते हैं, ओके, AP, GP और HP में सबसे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस आपके GP से आते हैं. Okay. What is the harmonic progression is? The condition is what? Example. If I get one GP 2, 4, 6, 8 and if I reciprocate it 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6 and 1 by 8. Okay. 1 by 8. So this becomes my harmonic progression. What is the condition is? In the harmonic progression, the denominator part should be in the AP. The denominator part should be in the AP. That is what the condition for the harmonic progression is. With the numerator to be same. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि numerator कुछ अलग है and the denominator में AP. मतलब ऐसा 1 by 2, 2 by 4, maybe you have 3 by 6, maybe you have 4 by 8. सर डिनोमिनेटर AP में है सर, चलेगा क्या? ऐसा नहीं चलेगा क्योंकि न्यूमरेटर आपका सेम होना चाहिए. Are you getting the point? Numerator is different here, so you cannot say it is in the HP. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the general term of this harmonic progression? General term. General term of the harmonic progression is what? The general term of harmonic progression will be the reciprocal of general term of arithmetic progression. Can I say? What is the next term of this AP? 10. What will be the next term of this HP? 1 by 10. So, what is the general term of AP? What is the general term of AP? Tn is equals to what is? AP. AP के लिए क्या है? A plus
n minus 1
n minus 1d. This is what the general term of AP. Then what will be the general term of HP? इसका उल्टा ले लो भाई. 1 upon n minus 1d. That's it. This is what the general term of HP. Excuse me. Are you getting the point? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
So that's it. This is the only part you require in the harmonic progression. Harmonic progression पे बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ questions आते नहीं हैं. And fortunately we do not have any sum of these harmonic progressions. Okay? Sum आपके syllabus में नहीं है. So don't, आपके textbook में भी नहीं है, NCERT में भी नहीं है, so NDA में भी नहीं है, JEE में भी नहीं है, किधर भी नहीं है sum of the harmonic progression. So don't look for this sum. In the harmonic progression you require only this part, 1 upon a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, is this okay everyone? So you may have any number of questions for this. So if you have the question on HP, first convert into AP and solve it. You will get the answer.